renderforce.com.
Hello, my lovely students. I'm really happy to see you again. Today's lesson will be about the past continuous. Let's start. You may ask, why do we use the past continuous? Well, the past continuous, we use it to talk about an action which was in progress at a stated time in the past. We do not mention when the action started or finished. I'll clarify this more with more examples. At 12 o'clock yesterday evening, they were having a party. Let's see the form. There are three forms as we already know. The affirmative form, the negative form, and the interrogative form. Let's start with the affirmative form. As you noticed here, for example, we take the verb watched. I watch. So what do? We add was before the verb, then we add ing to the verb. I was watching. For you, we add were. You were watching. He was watching. She was watching. It was watching. But for we were watching. You were watching. And they were watching. For the negative form, what do? We add was, not, or wasn't before the verb, then we add ing. I wasn't watching. For you, we, they, we add were not or weren't. You weren't watching. He, she, it, we add wasn't or was not. He wasn't watching. She wasn't watching. It wasn't watching. We weren't watching. You weren't watching. And they weren't watching. For the interrogative form, as you already know, we did the same thing with the verb to be in the simple present. For example, I am a teacher. In the interrogative form, we say, am I a teacher? The same thing for the past continuous. I was watching. What would you do? You reverse. Was I watching? You were watching. Were you watching? And for short answers, we can answer with yes or no. Yes, I was, or you were. Yes, you were. No, I wasn't, or no, you weren't. For he, she, it, we do the same thing. Was he watching? Was she watching? Was it watching? To answer, yes, he, she, it was, or no, he wasn't, no, she wasn't, no, it wasn't. For we, you, they, we do the same thing again. Were you watching? Were we watching? And were they watching? To answer, yes, we were, yes, you were, yes, they were, or no, we weren't, you weren't, and they weren't. Now, this example. What was he doing yesterday at 7 a.m.? Look at the clock, 7. Look at the picture. Can you guess? Very good. He was having a shower. So having a shower takes time. So the action was in progress at a specific period of time in the past. Question for you. What were you doing yesterday at 7 a.m.? Can you tell me what were you doing? Next. Now, look at the picture and answer me. What was he doing yesterday at 7:30 a.m.? Can you tell me? Very good. He was having breakfast. What was he doing yesterday at noon? He was playing football at school. What was he doing yesterday at 4 p.m.? He was doing his homework. What was he doing yesterday at 9 p.m.? He was watching TV. Yeah, that's correct. Now, was she having dinner yesterday at 9 p.m.? You answer with yes or no. Very good. Yes, she was. Was she watching TV yesterday at midnight? You answer with yes or no. No, she wasn't watching TV. What was she doing? She was sleeping at midnight. Very good. Well, my lovely students, I guess we're done. If you have any questions, please don't forget to ask me. See you next time, inshallah, and have a wonderful day.